Aircraft carriers represent the pinnacle of naval power, with the U.S. leading the way, followed by China and Russia, while other countries, including Turkey, are expanding their carrier capabilities. Turkey's TCG Anadolu, modeled after Spain's Juan, began operations as the world's first aircraft carrier or assault ship for drones and heavy helicopters. Key points. Anadolu can deploy up to 50 aircraft, including unmanned combat aircraft and attack drones, and reach speeds of 25 knots. This multi-purpose amphibious assault ship underscores Turkey's ambitions to increase its regional influence and support multinational missions. Designed to be the new flagship of the Turkish Navy, the multi-purpose amphibious assault ship is modeled after Spain's Juan Carlos I. According to Turkish media, 70% of Anadolu is domestically produced, and the country's Design Directorate Project Office wants to increase that figure in future projects. The carrier has 3 runways, modular tracks, and other carrier-specific capabilities to deploy 50 aircraft. Among the aircraft that can take off and land from the ship are the TAI Hurjet Light Attack Airframe, TAI Anka II unmanned fighter, Baykar's Bayraktar Kızılelma unmanned fighter jet, and TB-3 unmanned combat air vehicle. Powered by combined gas turbine and gas turbine propulsion, or COCAG, the ship is capable of reaching speeds of 25 knots while sailing with a range of 9,000 nautical miles. The warship can carry 1,400 personnel, including soldiers and marines, as well as combat vehicles and other support equipment. With Anadolu, Turkey may be able to get a new flagship, but the development and introduction of the ship demonstrates Ankara's deeper ambitions to enhance its status as a key player in multinational missions. Erdogan is also expected to use the Anadolu to support territorial claims against Greece and to secure energy reserves in the eastern Mediterranean. Ultimately, Ankara also hopes to acquire the F-35 billion Lightning II airframe, despite the country's exclusion from the Joint Strike Fighter Joint Development Group after it purchased a Russian air defense system that violated the trust of the US and NATO allies.